Hi guys,
Hello,
I'm Monique,
I'm Will.
and we are living the good life,
Rving.
And let me tell you a little bit about us if you're new to our channel. We were living in Florida for 4 years.
Yeah.
Previous to that, we were living in California, and back in 2014, Will had a stroke, which kind of changed our lives in a lot of ways. So we decided to move to Florida and live with family and stay out there. And one day we decided we wanted to have a little piece of our own, and we enjoyed traveling.
Yeah.
So we decided RVing was the way to go for us. And so we watched a ton of YouTube videos. We watched TV shows on TV. We didn't know any personal people who at the time were full-time RVers, but we did know people who had RVs. Mm-hmm. And we got to experience staying in an RV, and we really enjoyed it. So we made plans and ended up leaving Florida, coming back to California to take care of my grandmother and to find our perfect RV. And yes, we did find our perfect RV for us.
Yes, we love it.
And we've been in California now almost a year. Yeah. And we have been RVing for, 5 months now.
That long, really?
It has been 5 months.
Wow, time flies.
Time has flown. So, we are still super excited about RVing. We love it. We've had some ups and some downs, and we're going to share with you what's been going on lately. So the last time we talked to you, we were having some problems with our truck, and our truck was going to go into the shop. Our truck did go into the shop. It did have the repairs done, and we did receive our truck back to us and felt that our truck was going to be okay. Well, came time to move from the location we were at in a previous video, which was Wilderness Lakes, Thousand Trails in Menifee. And we were headed to Lake Skinner in Winchester, Temecula, here in California, to stay for our time out of our Thousand Trails. And our truck died on us on the way. Like, it never had before ever stopped while we were driving.
Right.
We would start it up, and it only would happen when it was hot outside. Like, if the temperatures were over 90 degrees, we had problems with our truck. And it just recently started happening where we would start the truck up, it would be hot outside, and the truck would just die out. Like it was not getting any gas and just die out. So we ended up getting our fuel pressure regulator and changed on it to try to see if that would resolve the problem, because that's what the diagnosis came saying, that was the problem.
Yeah.
But that didn't fix the problem. So, and at that time the problem got worse. So, because now it's dying while we're driving.
Right.
So we're able to get it started after that, and we're driving down the road again. We literally got to the gate of Lake Skinner, and it died out again on us. I literally turned into the driveway. And if you ever been there, the beginning of the driveway to where you get to the registration booth is pretty far. So we're out there. Hour goes by and I still can't get the truck. I finally got fed up with the situation and decided, okay, we'll call a tow truck, have them tow the truck to the shop, have them call the other service that we have for the trailer, have them pick up the trailer and tow the trailer to the RV spot where we're supposed to be inside of Lake Skinner and have them drop it there. And while on the phone with them, of course, you know, you be put on hold forever. I was able to get the truck started again.
Right.
Drove it down, got our information registered, got to our campground, dropped the trailer, and boom, we were set. So I said, okay, I will take the truck in on the first available day, because it was technically Friday and they were closed on Saturday and Sunday. So the next following day to take in the truck would have been Monday. So we took in the truck on Monday, and I found out that I could get an interview for another camp host position, but where? At Lake Skinner, where we really wanted to be camp host at.
Yep.
I did get my interview for down in Riverside at the Riverside campground, and that went well. I still haven't heard anything back from them, and I'm assuming that they wanted someone that would be able to do a lot of yard work, because the historical site where I was going to be working at is not doing field trips with kids at the moment because of COVID. So, got the truck in there, found out I was going to have another interview for Wednesday, and I was like, okay guys, I need the truck back. I need, you know, like, they were planning to keep it, and they hadn't looked at it on Monday. They hadn't gotten to it on Tuesday. So I said, okay, I'm going to just pick it up, take the truck back, and I'll bring it back as soon as we're done. And or as soon as I have my interview, so I can make sure I can get to my interview. So, long story short, I had my interview for Lake Skinner, and drum roll, please. We are now residents of Lake Skinner, and I am a camp host for Lake Skinner Recreational Park.
That's right.
I think it's a regional park.
Congratulations.
So, we get a full hookup site.
Yep.
And we're giving them a year commitment. And we are also, I will be working 20 hours a week, which will be like 4-hour days. And Will be alone for 4 hours. So we're going to try to make it as a routine.
What?
So that Will can adjust well to being alone for 4 hours.
What?
So wish me luck. And I won't be far away, so that's another thing. So we have rules that we were going to go over to make sure that he's safe in the RV while I'm not here, because Will does have vision impairment. There you go. And he also has memory loss. So he's getting better at his memory, but
Yeah.
you know,
I remember what my
you gotta
memory
remember,
is.
turn things on, you turn things off.
Yeah.
So we'll go over those rules later.
Okay.
Cross my fingers that everything goes well. But we will also only pay $25 a month in electricity. And that's it. And we'll have a place to stay that we won't have to hook up every 14 days and move. And right now, since we're having troubles with our truck, it gives us a good time to stay in one place for a little while until we get this fixed and know that the truck is running well enough for us to travel. So we're excited. We can't wait. It's good news for us. We will miss our wilderness lake styles and trails, and maybe, you know, we'll sneak over here on our days off and come and stay for a little bit, or, you know, and we've met a couple people here that will come and visit. So that's nice. We've had people that have stopped and said, hey, we know who you are, and
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. So
We're
we would like to
famous.
thank everyone that have come in contact with us since we started our YouTube channel and our Instagram page and our Facebook, and that follows us. We just want to thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts. We're truly blessed to have a community that supports us, roots
Right.
us on, and looks out for us. Truly looks out for us.
That's
So
good.
the truck is going back to the shop on Monday.
This Monday.
We are going today to do our fingerprints and our background check for our new job, or
Yep.
my new job. And we're just staying prayed up that everything will work itself out, and that we will continue to be blessed and enjoy
Yes.
this wonderful lifestyle.
Yes.
So, if you have any questions, if you might know what possibly could be wrong with our truck, we have a 2005 GMC Sierra 2500, and we've had the fuel pump replaced, the fuel sending unit replaced. Yep. We've had the fuel pressure regulator replaced. Right now I'm looking at the primer pump to say that there's something wrong with it, maybe, but we'll see what they say. But when it's hot outside in the 90s, our truck seems like
not like heat.
it vapor locks.
Yeah, vapor locks.
That's the best way I can describe it. And
no fuel gets to the.
It's no fun.
To the carburetor.
Yeah, it just dies
injectors.
out. So, if you know anybody that's a mechanic and can give us some advice or send us in the right direction of what we need to fix, it'd be great too. Because mechanics are hard to find for diesels.
Yeah, good
very
mechanics.
Hard to find.
Yes.
We know a diesel mechanic who won't fix it, but I'm just saying.
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
We still love you.
We love you. But we're doing great. We're doing fine, and we're going to give you a tour of our RV on our next video. So stay tuned for that.
Yes.
And anything else, babe?
No, we're doing good. Ariel's doing good.
We did have a little scare with her. She did get sick because of all the heat that we were in when our truck broke down. But she is doing a lot better now. She is loving taking her 2 walks a day.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she sees us going out of that door.
She has just learned to climb the stairs.
Yes, Ariel. That's right.
And so she's doing good. And she's in her little bed down on the floor. So.
Yeah.
But other than that, we want to thank you guys. Stay tuned for our new adventure and our new travels and living full-time in our RV.
Yes.
So live the good life.
Living the dream.
And we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
And living the dream.